Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever designed something beautiful in Figma and wished you could turn it into a real, interactive website with just a few clicks, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to convert your Figma designs into a Framer website, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to seamlessly switch from designing in Figma to having a live, ready-to-share site in Framer, even if you've never tried these tools together before. So let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, you'll want to have your Figma design open. Here, I've got a Figma file ready to go. Think about this as your canvas, where you've put in all your creative energy and detail. If you haven't already prepped a design, don't worry, you can follow along with any layout, whether it's a landing page, a portfolio, or even just a quick mockup. What matters is that you're looking at the actual frame or design you want to export. With your design right in front of you, go ahead and click to select it. Selecting the right design is key. Think of it like highlighting the specific area you want to move into Framer. If your design has multiple frames or pages, just make sure you've clicked on the exact one that you want to convert. It might seem like a tiny detail, but getting this right at the start saves a lot of time later on. Next, look down at the bottom center of your Figma app. You'll see an option to search for plugins. This is where the magic happens. In the search bar, type Figma to Framer. Figma's plugin system is super helpful because it lets you plug straight into tools like Framer without any complicated exporting or file juggling. Don't worry if you haven't used plugins before. After today, you'll see just how straightforward it can be. Once you see the Figma to Framer plugin pop up, go ahead and run it. This launches the plugin interface, and in a moment you'll see options related to your frame or artboard. Now, patience is key here. When you open the plugin, give it a few moments to process your design. Depending on how complex your layout is, the conversion might be quick, or it could take a little longer if you've loaded your design with lots of images and layers. It's totally normal for the loading bar to pause here and there, so just let it do its thing. When the conversion finishes, you'll get the option to copy the code or content to your clipboard. Click that button. The plugin is basically packaging up everything from your Figma frame and getting it ready to drop into Framer. It even keeps all those neatly aligned components and images, so you don't have to rebuild anything from scratch. Now switch over to Framer. If this is your first time in Framer, just sign in and open up a new project. Think of Framer as your stage, ready to bring your design to life. Simply paste in what you copied from Figma. You can use Ctrl+V or Command+V just like pasting any normal text, but instead, you're pasting your entire design ready to be tweaked or animated as you like. Give the design a quick look over. Sometimes, you might want to fix a couple of details or adjust an animation, but for most cases, the import works smoothly. When you're happy with how everything looks, head up and click Publish. That's it, your Figma design is now a real website in Framer, and you can send the link to anyone or even start sharing it with the world. And there you have it. You've just gone from a static Figma design to a published, interactive Framer site in just a few steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or want to see more Framer tips in the future. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech and design tutorials. I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching.